Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash and day 6 improve my English journey. So definitely I changed my perspective in a 90 degree. But also perfection is the not a problem because you are not a action. That is the not a final result for improve yourself. Definitely that is the principle of life. But lots of efforts in yourself and day by day you are to improve your communication skill and your work from this habit and your work from or write a diary. Definitely you one day change of your perspective and your mindset. But people are not track your habit, not track in your life, and that is the why result is literally zero. I say you are to properly living a lifestyle, not a randomly person to you. Do any one person says that is the work for you, but just like a stock, you says no, I'm not ready for you, I'm not available for you. Why? Because the time is important key of your life. Literally, you are regret in your life. You are not track your life. Definitely. Your age is a 25 and your age is a 34. Maybe is 10 year difference between you and your life partner. Definitely you work for your life, but you know which one is the right time to you grow up. But you are dedicated, you are disciplined, you are deserved daily in your life. You are sacrifice your physically and mentally fitness. And one day you are to achieve in your better lifestyle. But you are not a track your habit. You got it. One time you track in your plan another people. Somebody lots of rejection in your life, lots of failure in your life, but you are a habit tracker in a daily basis. You are easily controlled and you are a better performance as a great warrior. You to be proof in your life. Warrior are not any time to action, but right warrior is the right time to action, and that is the simple person and as a stranger warrior. Literally, you are or change your life. Society are not a reflection provide for yourself. And anyway, anytime society are to talk, you are to directionless personality, and that's you are open your eyes and you are literally regret. Literally, you regret in your life. Why play game for myself? Why people play for my life? Why hurt your my feelings? Because you are not a work for yourself. You work for other people. other version, definitely you change your mindset, your thoughts. But self satisfaction is the first priority because love is the important in your life. But that is the soft killing in your internal part of your life. That is the your journey. Literally, you are damaged in your heart, in the relationship. Person to person, not a depend upon love, self-love, but you are to motivate in your daily basis. You prove your habit daily basis. You are a tracker from the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Definitely, you are go to your dream is the right way. This is the day 6 of my English challenge. But definitely, I work for literally change myself because I'm not confident and not good English in a daily basis. But at the time I decided, I started. After so you my result. But first step is the start. That is the love for myself. Because I improve my English, I dedicate discipline. This is my priority of my life. First and last priority for improve myself. That is my last and final priority. Thank you so much, Priya. You watch my personally lifestyle and habit trick of feeling of vlogs, and I say and I suggest for your as a big brother, as a small brother, anyone. But you start now. Okay. Thank you so much.